Baithuti ba re e ba ditsoko tsa bona di sa mamelwe ba tla sitisa tsamaiso ya yunibesithi. Ba betse ba batla hore yunibesithi e ngole beng ba bodulo baithuti hore ba tlohele ho leleka baithuti.
It has been difficult because, first of all, as an NSFAS student, the university knows that we are struggling already. We need the money to pay our rent, to buy food. So now that our academic year has been extended, what do they expect from us?
I've been asking money from home, from friends, just to survive, helping each other as roommates. Yeah, it's been difficult.
Baithuti ba kenyeletsa le ba presidente ba babedi ba SRC ba ile ba tshwarwa le ho lokolloha mamorao. Le ha o le jwalo SRC e re ha e tjhetjhe.
Been detained and they handcuffed us because we were demonstrating our disappointment and grief. So we're here, but the memorandum is saying that also the students that are being evicted should not be evicted because we know that the academic calendar affected all of us and some of the contracts are extended until November. So of course they would then need to stay for the month of December in order to complete the academic commitments.
Botsamaisi wa university ha bo so arabe ditsekong tsena tsa baithuti.